Hello, my name is Helen Kate. This audio track contains a very powerful hypnotic induction and therefore should not be used whilst driving or operating machinery. In the next few moments, you'll enter a very deep state of hypnosis. However, should an emergency occur, you will immediately awaken and deal with that emergency accordingly. And now, I'd like you to get comfortable. Whether that is sitting yourself down with your feet resting on the floor and your hands resting on your knees, or maybe you prefer to lie down on a bed. Anywhere that you can relax is fine. And the first thing that I'd like you to do is to now gently allow your eyes to close if they haven't already. And with your eyes closed, I'd like you to notice what's going on behind those closed eyelids. Perhaps it's just a black velvet curtain, or perhaps you can see colours or shapes, or maybe nothing at all. It really doesn't matter, as long as you know what's going on. Notice how your muscles are now starting to relax with every breath that you take, and with every breath you can relax deeper and deeper. I wonder if you've noticed yet that when you breathe in, you can feel cold air through your nostrils, and as you breathe out, you can feel warm air through your nostrils. As you begin to breathe more deeply now, you'll find yourself relaxing more and more. With every word that I speak, you'll find yourself drifting deeper and deeper. Just notice now where your hands are resting, where your feet are resting, and notice how they feel. Maybe they feel heavy or light, warm or cold. Only you know that. They are your sensations as you relax more and more. Maybe your head is beginning to feel heavier and heavier with each out breath. And maybe you feel your body sinking deeper and deeper. So focus now on the relaxing music and simply allow that music to take you even deeper. As I begin to count now, down from 10 to 1, you'll find yourself relaxing deeper and deeper with every number that I count and every word that I speak. And at the same time, you can just let your mind wander. Just let it wander wherever it chooses. You can let any thoughts come into your mind, and then you can just let them disappear again. So I'll begin counting now. 10, nice and relaxed. The sound of my voice will keep you safe at all times. 9, going deeper and deeper. You can imagine yourself just drifting deeper and deeper. Nobody wants anything from you now. Nobody expects anything. The only sensations that you experience from now on are pleasant. 8. The only thing you'll be interested in now is the warm, comforting sound of my voice. Feeling very, very calm now. 7. The sound of my voice will keep you safe at all times. Very peaceful and very, very relaxed. As you relax deeper and deeper. 6. A blanket of comfort begins to wrap around you. You can imagine a blanket of comfort wrapping around you from your head right down to your toes. Just allow yourself to drift deeper and deeper. 5. Drifting, nice and relaxed. My voice echoes through your subconscious mind, soothing, comforting, and relaxing you. 4. The only thing you'll be interested in now is the warm, comforting sound of my voice. 3. Simply imagine yourself drifting deeper and deeper, where the only sensations you can experience now are pleasant sensations. 2. Very peaceful now, and very, very relaxed. The comforting sound of my voice takes you down to that next level of peace and tranquility. Feel like what it really feels like to be very, very calm, very peaceful, and very, very relaxed. Now you're beginning to feel so much more comfortable and relaxed. You can begin to allow your mind to drift and to dream. And you're going to dream now of an adventure. And I would just like you to use the power of your imagination, because you were born with this super powerful imagination. I wonder how it might be if you could imagine being on a great American road trip right now. Stepping off the plane and excited to begin your road trip. Perhaps you're with friends, or maybe a partner, or maybe you're joining a group. You can be excited about the adventure ahead. You're going to be hitting the road, perhaps with a classic Mustang or Cadillac, and just enjoying the open road with all that space. Or maybe you decide to hit the road with a motorbike, maybe a Harley Davidson. Knowing what a huge and diverse country you've landed in is going to be such a great adventure. Perhaps it might evoke a sense of nostalgia within you, or perhaps it's that sense of having flexibility, freedom, having your own wheels. Perhaps you'll be looking forward to visiting hidden gems, hard to reach areas. Maybe you would be sticking your head out of the window and feeling the wind on your face. Maybe you're simply just looking forward to experiencing different cultures, being able to get out and explore, being able to tour different areas as you wish. So I'd like you to get a sense, a feeling of almost being there and experiencing that right now. Maybe it's how the car on the road feels beneath you as you begin that trip. You can decide where you begin that trip. You might decide to start in San Francisco, imagining for a moment, just gazing at the iconic Golden Gate Bridge, all that you can see, what that bridge looks like perhaps. Maybe you notice the people around you, what they're doing. Maybe that trip takes you into one of the national parks. I want you to just get a sense of being in a national park right now. Taking in all the gorgeous natural beauty. It can almost take your breath away. Looking at the lush greenery perhaps, the majestic rock formations, maybe spectacular waterfalls that you can hear right now. See it in your mind's eye. Get a sense or feeling of just being there, the wonder of it all. And perhaps then, on that road trip, maybe you'd like to take a visit to one of the smaller towns. A town where there is a pristine white sandy beach, like a surfer's paradise. Get a sense of being in that place right now, and how it feels just being there. All that space around you. Perhaps you would like to imagine for a moment simply driving along a rocky coastline, noticing unforgettable sights, the huge areas of wilderness, and perhaps along one of those coastlines there's a beach that you stop off, and you just notice the wildlife, the sounds and the smells. Just imagine now what you might see there. And in all of these places, I want you to notice the fresh air, the gorgeous sights, the wildlife. Notice how this makes you feel, how relaxed. This is a great adventure, and I'm going to go quiet for a moment while you simply imagine and wonder. Get a feeling of being on your road trip right now. The things that you might see here and feel. Just take a moment to take yourself on that adventure. Getting out, exploring how the car and the road feels beneath you. These feelings will remain with you for just as long as you need. And the more that you listen to this recording, the more you will allow your imagination to take over for a while. And the more you listen, the greater the benefit you will feel. And soon you can come back to the here and now. And when you do, you'll feel refreshed and more resilient, and you'll feel great. So I'm going to wake you up now. I'm going to count from 1 to 10. When I get to 10, you'll be able to open your eyes. You'll be wide awake, fully alert, and you'll feel really good inside. So 1, 2, 3, coming up a little now. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. When you're ready, just slowly open your eyes. And if you need to, just have a nice long stretch.